Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me. On this session, I will explain how to configure ARP or Address Resolution Protocol. ARP or Address Resolution Protocol is a protocol that is responsible for the finding out the MAC address or hardware address of a host that is incorporated in a LAN network by analyzing or based on the IP address configured on the host in question. The way ARP works is to match the IP address and MAC address of each client connected to the network. If the client connects to the network, if one does not match, that client will be considered illegal and cannot use the network. First, we do the automatic DHCP server configuration. We open the box. We check the interface print first. And here we can see if Ether2 is connected to a laptop and VLAN 1 as an IP client. Before that, I will make the router connect to the internet. After that, create a DHCP server on Ether2. After that, we do the configuration, automatic DHCP server configuration. First, we create an IP address for the DHCP server using the command IP address at address 24.24.24.1/24 with interface Ether2. Enter, and we check with the command IP address print, and we can see the address is 24.24.24.1/24. After that, we do the configure the DHCP server setup using the IP DHCP server setup. Enter, and DHCP server interface we use Ether2. Enter. DHCP address space we use 24.24.24.0/24. Enter, and gateway for DHCP network is 24.24.24.1. Enter, and address to give out is 24.24.24.2/24.24.24.254, and DNS servers is 8.8.8.8. Enter, and last time is 10 minutes. Enter. If we have checked the DHCP server using the IP DHCP server print, and we can see if we successfully. After that, we do the testing, but we see first the Ethernet desktop client is already obtained. Properties IPv4 obtain. Okay, close. Next, we look at the network connection details. If we have success in getting the IP address, which is 24.24.24.254, and default gateway is 24.24.24.1, and then a server is 8.8.8.8. After that, we close. reconnect. If we have checked which proxy client is connected to the DHCP server using the IP DHCP server list print, and we can see the address is 24.24.24.254. Next, we do the client test by pinging cmd. We click Windows R, cmd, we use the ping 24.24.24.1, enter. And we can see the result is a replay or it has been successful. After that, we do a configuration ARP or address resolution protocol. First, we active ARP on the DHCP server using the command IP DHCP server set numbers 0 at ARP yes. We check with the command IP DHCP server print, and we can see here if ARP is already active. If we have checked the ARP list table using the IP ARP print, and we can see the address is 24.24.24.254 and the status is HHD or DHCP dynamic complete. After that, we change the ARP configuration on the Ether2 interface using the Ethernet interface command interface Ethernet set ether to ARP replay only, enter. Wait. After that, we reconnect. After that, we use the interface Ethernet print for check, and we can see if we have successfully changed the ARP configuration to replay only. Next, we change the IP on the client to static, the IP address. Next, we change the IP on the client to static, the IP address of one network with the DHCP server and subnet mask. In here, we use the following IP address, and IP address is 24.24.24.24. For subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and for default gateway is 24.24.24.1. Okay, close. After that, we have pinged the IP address on cmd. We use the ping 24.24.1 comment. And we can see if the result is a timeout or client cannot connect to the router. And thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.